Morning, and we are currently on the King Alfred's Way. We started in Farnham, and now we're heading towards Winchester, the official start of the King Alfred's Way. Jesus, 20 minutes into the journey, and I think I'm not going to make it.
Yeah.
Lovely bit of off-road and downhill as well, it's always handy.
Get me in my vest.
Then let's go. Oh, very techy. Oh, he's up, he's over, he made it.
How awesome is that?
Hang on. Don't go too far. We missed the turn.
Right, Jesus, look at that.
You've got to be winding me up. Yeah, we're going up that. You sure this is the right way? Oh, too much sand. The wheels are just spinning. Can't get my breath. Jesus. That ain't good.
Yeah.
The sand is a nightmare. And a little bit more walking. Oh, definitely harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
And we're only, what, 20 miles in?
Yeah, I wish. 17.
Yeah, number 200 to go.
Need a burger or something.
Yeah, food. Definitely food. We're on our way to the Sailor's Stone.
So the three guys that killed the sailor were hanged up there for 3 years. They stayed.
3 years?
Yeah, until the storm. So no one took them down. They just was brought down by a storm. So they would have just left hanging there until a storm brought them down. Yeah. Until a ghoulish reminder of the crime and the punishment. Risk of fire, extreme.
It's all soft there, mind. Right, here we go, day 2. Can't beat a bit of stealth camping at the Premier Inn. We're off to Winchester. Lovely McDonald's breakfast. We got a flag. First puncture. Dig a bit of air in it, see what happens.
Yeah?
Yeah. Pump it up and then keep your eye on it, and if it goes down we'll have to we'll do a repair on it, see how quickly it goes down. Well, it was going to happen, wasn't it? I'm surprised the amount of shit we rode over yesterday that it didn't happen sooner. And there he is, the man himself. We made it to Winchester. And to the start, the official start, at King Alfred's Way.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Have to type in there. Ready? Q&A, look, Q&A.
Yeah.
Thoughts on the trip so far?
I want to go home.
Thoughts on the trip so far? Hard. Definitely hard. Yeah.
Only, the best bit was the stealth camping in Premier Inn. Yeah, that's it. Maybe getting our money back.
Hopefully. King Alfred get his army down this little track. Must have done. Dad, do you fancy doing King Alfred's way?
No. You can't blame this one on me.
No, I can't actually. Yeah, self-inflicted, I'm afraid. 100%. You suck my sock. Look at that track. It's never ending. Home for the night. Salisbury Caravan and Camping Club kindly let us stay here for the night. Very, very nice people. A very, very nice site. And that's where I'm going to be if it gets really cold tonight.